of Italy has countered with 4 machines more than 400 horsepower each. Through the 2-mile road section and winding back to the airport, the Ferraris are holding the first 4 positions. Collins Ferrari still leading, but number 19 is closing in.
Small cars are away first in the Mille Miglia. De Portago makes good time, but victory goes to Italian veteran Piero Taruffi, beating Von Trips by a few yards. The Le Mans 24-hour sports car race is a real battle of nations this year. Mike Hawthorne drives Ferrari number 7.
Cuba beckons to the sports world with a carnival featuring here its second Grand Prix for racing drivers. The start had been delayed with the hope Fangio would show up. Now 27 drivers representing 12 nations have completed a half hour of driving.